for choosing a top-of-the-line Mendota fireplace. The SID Pro Flame Burn Green remote system is well known in the industry as the most versatile remote control system available. This video is to guide you through the functions of your remote. Before we begin, please locate your remote and have the fire turned off in your fireplace. Also note that the receiver will beep once every time a remote transmitter button is pressed. This indicates communication between the remote and your fireplace by signaling that the command has been received. To begin, locate the standing pilot toggle switch, located in the bottom left corner of our full view fireplace line or underneath the bottom grille on the DXV fireplace series. During the coldest months, or if average temperatures are below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, we recommend you leave the pilot switch on to aid in proper draft and startup. You may leave the pilot in intermittent pilot ignition, or IPI, also known as the off position, for the rest of the year to help save you money and help the environment. Let's now identify the 4 function controls on the remote transmitter. They are the on-off button, the thermostat button, the up-down controls, and the mode selection button. The on-off button turns the system on or off. In manual mode, when the on-off button is pressed, the unit will go through the pilot ignition sequence with the pilot switch off. This may take 10 to 15 seconds. If you are in standing pilot, the unit will light momentarily to the heat output position of high. Your Mendota fireplace will default to your preference of 3 modes. The thermostat button, when pressed after the on-off button is pressed and the fireplace is on, will allow the selection of one of these 3 modes: manual operation, normal thermostat, and smart thermostat. Manual mode. In this mode, the room temperature is ignored and the fireplace can be turned on and off indefinitely. All other functions will be manually controllable. Normal thermostat. In this mode, the fireplace will stay functioning until the room temperature increases 1 degree above the set temperature. To increase the set temperature, press the up button until the desired temperature is displayed in the set temperature window. The fan will turn on 5 minutes after fireplace startup and will turn off roughly 12 minutes after the flames turn off. The heat output, fan speed, light on/off, and the back burner can be adjusted after startup. Smart thermostat. In this mode, all other functions except the heat output adjustment are allowed. The smart thermostat function adjusts the heat output in accordance to the difference between the set temperature and the actual room temperature. As the room temperature gets closer to the set temperature, the smart function automatically modulates the heat down. The up and down controls are used to increase or decrease the set temperatures, heat output, and fan speed, and to toggle between accent light on/off and rear burner on/off. And finally, the mode selection button is used to toggle between the various function icons: heat output, fan speed, accent light, and rear burner.